Hello and hi guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add a new sticker like this in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Page Builder. You can use it as a breaking news sticker for your news website, or you can use it for your posts. I have added this using a Divi Talk add-on plugin for Divi Page Builder. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this, search DiviTalk. Here you can see DiviTalk add-on plugin. Now click on install now. Once the plugin installed, click on activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings, just click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Hover over post and click on add new. Now add post title. I will add news sticker and then click on use Divi Builder button. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will build from scratch. Now add a single row. Here is the modules drawn on. Here you can see the Talk modules which are come with the plugin that we have added now. Here you can see Talk news sticker. Select this. Here you can add title, text. You can use it as a breaking news, or I will add recent posts. Now here is the categories. You can include any category in it. I will select these categories. You can sort them by date or title. I will sort them by title. You can add limit of news. I will leave them, just go to design. Now here the title style. You can change text color, background title background color. Collapse this section and go to title text style. Here you can change font style. I will make it bold and make it size to 18. Now collapse this section and go to use text. I will make its style to Alata and change its size to 15. Make its color is dark black or red. Red is perfect. Now you can add text shadow like this. I will not add any shadow. Collapse the use text section and go to box shadow. You can add box shadow like this. Now click on the stick button, click on these three dots and publish the post. Now you have successfully published the post. To take a live review, click on this exit visual builder button. Now here you can see you have successfully added a new sticker. Here is the title and here is the news or posts. That's how you can add new sticker in your WordPress page or blog using Divi and DiviTalk add-on plugin. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Thanks for watching.